Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Enable USB debugging and developer options and connect the device to your PC. Once done, make sure your battery is above 20% and use the original cable to prevent disconnects. On the computer, install ADB and fastboot tools so commands will work. Now reboot via ADB. You'll run a command that tells the phone to enter bootloader without the power key. This avoids any hardware presses and gets you to the next stage quickly. You now move from bootloader to recovery by issuing specific commands. First, run a DB reboot bootloader. The device will enter bootloader mode without pressing power. Once there, run fastboot reboot recovery to jump straight to recovery. Some devices require an extra fastboot command or a boot menu selection. Make sure you have your PIN or pattern ready if the device is encrypted, because recovery actions can prompt for credentials. If fastboot doesn't respond, double-check drivers and the USB connection before continuing. You finish by choosing the recovery action. Pick wipe cache for minor issues or factory reset for severe faults. Explain why cache clears temp files, reset clears data. If you're applying updates, use a DB sideload to push the package from your PC. Once the task completes, reboot system from recovery. If the device remains stuck, make sure drivers are correct, reinstall ADB/fastboot, and repeat the bootloader and recovery commands. This resolves most connectivity and recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.